Hi everyone, here we've got WIKO View 3 and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings and here let's tap on sounds. And as you can see here, we've got a whole ringtone section. We can change the ringtone for calls and this is the very first option right here, but also for the notifications and the alarms. So let me show you how to do it using the phone ringtone. And here we've got the ringtone divided into two different SIM cards, obviously because we've got two different SIM slots. So just pick the one you've got inserted and then tap on the phone ringtone. And as you can see, it immediately opens the full list of all available defaultly installed ringtones from which we can choose, so we do not have plenty of options to choose from. What's more, we can set a none option, so obviously after picking it, then your device won't notify you about any incoming calls. And after tapping on add ringtone here, then you will be transferred to your own files, and if you will have any compatible ones, for example downloaded, then they will appear right here and you will be able to pick them and set them as a ringtone. But let me get back and let's pick something from those options. So in order to listen how the particular one sounds, simply tap on it and you will be able to check it, right? So, oh my god. Okay, let me pick this one, for example. If you want to set the ringtone, just make sure that it is marked like here and confirm it with OK. As you can see right now, it is notified here, so it means that from now on your device will use the chosen ringtone to announce you the incoming calls. So actually that's all. This is how to change the ringtone in your WIKO View 3. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.